Ewi abusuafo ya mamomota mama ya dan ye ho akwa aba na mo de mo afidie no da so da United Television na mo twen ye da mo ase papa ye ni so se de ya abire nyina UTV ya na mo hwenti o se media mafidie no UTV nko a ene da enso ye ni so pa ye bekoso a na yaso mo kama part 2 of Empunimpu no ye se 11 no de enya aba na nso sinto ene apopapo wom a esese yitinetine no na unya wo ho ntiase na wokwa one agent no baby awokọ sendi sika no se wamu nso na wo sendi wo ne wo phone mamfa anye ntokwa no wa mo ape a mo ntworodo enwu phone nso ewo ho nti ena no pay friend to so mienu wo Mpunimpu so no yehia eye GRA na ansa na no mamema eye owura Kwadwo entwi eje senior political advisor wo NPP mu happy birthday ene eye wawoda oba nana nyanta ene nanafo ni nyina ema happy birthday openi entweje ena osofo apostle chief Adey we general overseer Word Palace International ya ewo so tumu na minipa ye se ene ye wawoda ene nti odoywe Lady Reverend Naomi Adey ene WPI Word Palace International for nyina woman no sons and daughters ni nyina womo say we ye Japan ho na we a good shepherd wo hwe omo so ye physically spiritually emotionally ni nyina wo ye mane ye fe enti da obompa ya wo say Yehowa say onkoso anu onumu no nhye wo ma na oma husa no so enye mo enti also for Apostle Chief Adey General Overseer WPI happy birthday afi anope se woni age matade eho a eye peplum top fefefe woni age ne nsa no ye shefata betumi di akokwan bia abedin to ayifro ene ba bia pacho eye kuyaskis ensa no enu no wonim se me Friday we de eye kuyaskis a ene odwudwi me sa nti me kanfo kuyaskis amount se contact no na won pam bi e ma friend no 020 836 4729 020-836-4729. Uhene chakwaya owo ACP Estate Junction. Instagram, Facebook, Kuyaskis ewo. Obek ni say KUYASKIS. Kuyaskis no eno ano na wodem na one no akwa akodi enkomo ananso se WhatsApp no watwa photo wo sempacho star we dwidwi bi wate eno no part 2 no ne owura Patrick Frimpong Danso oye member Levy Technical Committee Ghana Revenue Authority ene ne to aso Levy enkomobo no ehun wuko yibi wuko sendi sika yetewo wani anye ho eboro so ana na ensese yetewo ene yetewo fa ukusa no bra na wo heye onya no emaye papa akwaba anope ye da se papa se waji enso na mu Levy jujie mu tseyin
oh so far you start here the na begin your challenge kakraba to see akuyi
challenge ben sana na
oh challenge in the ewo ho but e bia me pese me kire Levy mu kakra
okay
na aba challenge no so no Levy no ni din ankasa the electronic transfer levy
okay
eba ya itaka say obi wo ha ne honam ni din se Levy no honam ni din se ese electronic transfer levy
okay
ankasa electronic receive levy
okay
ese transfer into wording of the Levy na electronic transfer is only when you are doing transfer and na levy ba na Levy no enema enum na law ne ma ho kwan say sa enema enum so transfers na be
okay
law ne ma ho kwan say enju Levy ba ko ne say o transfer sika from o wallet so akọ me wallet so ye nyina ye what the same network Levy ne say yenji sika no na yenji 1.5% of the sika na o transfer no member exemptions emra no so ka say o transfer sika efi o wallet so akọ me wallet so me so different network emra ne say yenji Levy no nti example say e bia wo MTN Momo na me wo Vodafone cash now transfer sika ma me no Levy ne say yenji
okay
the tosu brem so emra ne say o transfer sika from o bank account wo e dey abrem na aba me wallet so Levy no say yenji 1.5% no
okay
na emra no so aka say me transfer sika from me wallet na me dey ba bank account mu a emra no so yenji
okay
na dey twa so kwa no emra no so say anytime be a bank transfer I may use digital platform
as a children say
digital platform be a use abefo near me na me transfer sika free me account me dey aba wo account mu sa transfer me yepe on sabe kan sika na amramu ho a say dey ye momo ni ye you say na on saka uti ko yi mra no say oh yes transfer na ye me transfer sika na ma on sabe kan e wo bank mra no say me transfer ma on so a ye nti yi Levy no na no mra no ka say yes transfer na ye say ye anko individual na yes transfer na mra no say ye nti na say no so mra no ka say minister e dey threshold be ba say amount o transfer yentil say the yi Levy no ye 100 Ghana no make ho asem and am ran minister nes can say so transfer 20,000 a day yentil yi Levy nti sa niema enum we na emran ka say yenji yi Levy no the next one yen hwe the emran say yenji yi Levy no so
okay
emran say so be transfer sika na say 200 Ghana cedis say e mum wo ye wallet transfer na emran say fine to hwe
okay
nti a church say me transfer say 100 Ghana na 80 cedis abrewa no pay ya yentimi yi Levy but brana so aka say sa 100 Ghana no e damu ni nyina nti sika be transfer nyina say 200 Ghana yentil but say in case e bia wo transfer sika wa mama ma transfer sika 80 Ghana amount yentimi na afi me so okay me be san transfer 20 yentimi me sa aka me san transfer e bia another 30 amra say 30 na that so no you apply 1.5% no e was so and amra no so ka say wo transfer sika every wa wo ho a my enjoy yi Levy nti fa ne say wo person use sika free o bank account mu na wo be to wallet so e man say wo a sika na ba wo a won chen and na wo so na ye transfer so ye ntil and I say wo two wallet e bia wo Alter Tigo wo Vodafone cash wo transfer sika free back so e dia baba so a imran no say eno so me ntil
okay
imran no say wo tua wo to and charges and fees bia na who use government of Ghana platform bia so I'm running my until yi Levy no what you say and I'm running so can be about specified merchant where obi a wa register with GRA out tua ne to say me need djuma na say me tua na me use any of the transfer application na I'm running so me tua and na yi nuanom na omo ye MTN Momo na ade agent no I'm running so say so omo transfer sika from Omoami principal and that's on my account to my wallet so no the transfer a man is my NTM and I say oh yeah electronic transfer clearing of checks and so a man is my NTM man on your bibio weka
okay
it's media no hana we bisa on sem
now see I feel now be challenges so if you say a shas a roll out na 13 venefo adumi enseni amanfo edikusa ba ase apoapo wom ti wudi kanka so it's see ade ye Ashasi no na more challenges no. Na pese mu challenges na mo woni bi.
Okay, yo. The kan you starting here no. One of the charging entities no. Na say o transfer sika e wo ono ane ho a the same network na or tax pepe say 200 until less than 100 until but so you transfer na so they call another network so say one city kura no atil.
Yes. Yes, papa. Until the because it's a one and you
Matthias. No, they say I don't say normally you na ya person be budi.
But said be ya ahwefo beti wase no simplification.
O dey member budi ni me wi a nchehye wi a. So oye transfer no from omo network ni so a na say 200 Ghana na until. But say oye they across the other network na atil say sika no real Levy no. Nti obi a bi o say 50 every A B a network A e dey akọ B. Na ya te no.
Okay.
Nti sa complaint started by.
Yes.
Na nyame adom e ba ye be ba mo ti be ka say obi a ya te ni sika bi anya se ye te ni biare ye ni sika be ma no.
Okay.
Nti se me ni on ka say omo a first that's first be ye te om sika na anya se ye te om sika no. Me fan say transactions are na anya se ye te a ye te no. No me ye na transaction here 128,000. So transactions we na anya se ye te om yi 11 ye te omo. Se me kan ya refund almost obi sika ma no. About 99% on Musika.
Okay.
Second day no so a course. The course on second day you must see for transactions are 104,496 transactions na nyɛ sɛ yɛte yi levy
mako
saa ne ati yi levy saa yi levy na ɛte yɛ no sɛ me kasa yi ɔmo refund 99% 87 pɛ na ɔmo yɛ failure ɛna ɔmo gu so ɔmo di ho dwuma na ɔmo dom sika ama yaka sɛ yɛtu sika na sɛ yɛ wrongful a yɛdo sika bɛto wallet so ama ana wo bank account so ama
nipa no bɛɛ den adi akyira ko hu sɛ me kɔ ha ɛna me nya redress ana ɔmo bɛ tua ama me ana sɛ ɔmo worry ɔntena ne fie a mo bɛsan de abatu
ɛno ano no sɛ ɔyɛ nim yɛ hu yɛ nti charging entity no yɛ saa de no ɔkɔ ne system no bi hu we nim nyina me yɛ no wrongful
ɛba ne sɛn ne baas
ɛno na un sɛ systems deɛ yɛ systems yɛ develop systems yɛ deploy systems bebree systems on bit my ye bibia wo dem e ye adwuma pepepe
okay
but o de call na fe o call live implementation challenges ba I bi wo ho a wan susu ho ti ye sure say sound na see ye nti o ma address o want my ye nti say problem ni ho bi so nti right now no ye ti usika run free a won set me kan usika back and na ye put in place GR put in place ye ne charge entity say so bia o ti obisika na run free a make sure say all the sika be kwakwato ne wallet so and an bank account mama you hu say one of your banks ni bi or no your transaction less than 20,000 no atil and no see a company on my reverse so ni
bank transfers no
bank transfers no say emlane say e no 20,000 na nyɛ so nti say fan say me transfer 20,000 abroad and there and no pay ya yentimi yi levy
okay
and I say fan say my transaction my transfer 10,000 amount yentil we produce my money 10,000 yen no maybe I'm so me send me my 5,000 transfer we transfer from me my bank account to your bank account so our account no can be the same bank or bank near different bank
okay so me fan say me ya kunama me ye bank transfer ama prince obimpe e wo mu say different accounts there now so sika no say no 20,000 Ghana cedis a yen timi
levy no nti say e do 20,000 and 20,000 yen ti 20,000 ni nyina e bro 20,000 ye beti de e bro 20,000 so if I say 21,000 a ye beti 20,000 na to nchen na ye apply e levy no 1,000
Ghana cedis so I see mo ye den na mo monitor telcos and the banks no e wo sa e levy no mo tete no
okay you were reporting format bia e dia mo mu nyina nti every day bia na the close of every day bia na de chi a mo brain dwuma mo di nyina mo de ebrem am ye say on be bu akonta akere say oh ene ya ye say ye jeje say nipa say na be ye transfer since you say report na omo feeding every day but say ye ka no say dey bi ho na errors gbam no more correct figures ne ba a provisional ye timi fa ne say krojin nti say to your bona ye investigations na e bi okaso my reversals my evidence or ye reversal be now ye saying this animal nyina cause every day be a report about e-levy no ne gigi any transactions ekoso
so from network from yellow network to blue network and now from yellow network to red network e be den na mo hu say what is say and what is say
okay say network blue ye transfer call yellow blue no na oil transfer no emra no so ade ba kwa man ka say de oil transfer ni tua levy no into the network na transfer no na beti levy no ono na oti e no am report am yin
okay
but ye ko ye nim no 1st July no ye platform bi ba no network bi obey transfer bi obey ba ye platform no so be science say transfer we am ye ahe na menje na ya kire ne say transfer we sika ye say chargeable income ni we na for tax net to so na koji mine because say
the see bibia sa ni ho sa
the see say dom ye say ye friend no face approach
okay
face approach ni enti aye ne say na ye charging entities bebre ho a na omuntimi en dani omufidie nani entimi enka so omebetimi abaye platform no so abeji information on their calculated tax no so enti ye kan so okay say we be entimi dia mo am charge na mo mebu akonta man for from June ekosi from May ekosi June ending no na ye wie no after the few okodo bi abeba ye platform no so nti I say bia mo adwuma mo house ya na mo adwuma we no I say PAY at the end of the month no mo accountant na titi usika no ebu akonta ama GRA so na see omo ye no but from 1st July ni de omo ye bia no we say oba no be science say me ye transfer mami nua ba na 200 Ghana cedis
nti
I mean betu say na platform na ka che okay 200 Ghana no ye mra ne say 100 enka ho nti the 100 na fa tax na 200 no so now there is a calculation ye no
one would have thought say nka enokra badada said ye be ya enkanka ye ya ye di transfers ne ye adwuma no ya ye momu no se me koya minim se oh enne de Levy aba nti me cost suma 500 yi 100 no ye ntimi Levy 400 na aka ne betimi eno nso ye betimi se ntimi nim se o se ne ye betimi ne sa de amempen so preko se de be ya nipa no benya ne 400 pepepe
eyemi de se waka asem we na eye ade ankofo adwen yom se Levy no eti se de ebia o transfer usika na se okimi kwaku yi a say mitua Levy no Levy interessant ma min chechire mu Levy no ye charge you on your wallet
okay
ni sika na wo de kɔ no ye nti sika na wo de kɔ no eso ese Levy charges need to say there o ye utua charges for your transfers ewo telcos no say o ye we are Vodafone cash say o transfer 100 100 no normal the percentage that so much charge 100 ewo wallet ye nti 100 ne so what am I say? Say oh yeah transfer abremi now you be at 200
okay
say first na say 1% na normal dia
okay
so 1% 200 no telcos no edge 2 cedis for 200 no
okay
that 2 cedis no until free 200 ni mu or debit wallet no so wallet no so we be say 200 and 202 na year free so
be year free so that is a wow ya but say who call agent ho say oh bra Patrick Pacho send sika ma me be ma me na send sika ma hu say agent for no enso nti obi hono mo a ono onim ye nti on register no personally on wallet so that's how come obeko agent so say me send sika Pacho what am I say nti obi okọ agent ho no ono nso
me Pacho Ghana mrani ma kwan say ko agent for na fasika ekosani obi illegal.
Oh really?
Yes.
Na any momo agent no mo
omo ye very much aware omu nimpa untimi uko agent wa nima mienu na eso ye
okay
baako ye cash in baako ye cash out
okay
agent entimi untimi nko agent ka agent ma pacho ma ba jiska fa ma brewa law ne ma ho kwansa nti saa de no
me transfer nti agent ni mum na bebo o transfer say me transfer 500 pacho ma me nipa ne number bra pacho ma send obi a wa ma na usika
wrong it's illegal ya catch charge into telcos and say omo education members omo kra catch say so omo say otaye say don't be block you nti emra ma ho kwan say obekọ agent ho na o say agent ye je 500 na fa koma me maame emra ne say ko fato wallet no so na wa wo ye wa de
before Levy basana na mrane kana na Levy ba ye na mrane kansa
mrane wo hodi daada na ye shia
but some ya we said sa transaction ye cost pa
transaction make bankers obia ye bi obia o ye momo transaction obia until say some of us ye until see shia om na ye kan say ye mrane na ye how I bet ma ye Levy no ye di bibi ba say me per se ye the third party transfer of money. No, say no assets and as some microphone no what we call as jiska fa mama brewa also there be illegal and I'm catch say enya mra
telcos na car
almost say enya mra e ade a omunim na the agent ni nim say enya mra
wow
but yeah because lack of education ye nim and agents and telcos omo amoya mane which make us maintain that o se wonte da me sure say afefe we go muti ensisi a no make us na dey no papa it working
yes
ebu okra ogina ho a oye bi kra ko sisi asem
in fact me wa ba mu around me am say Randy concern this guy ma we che some few years back because your sister now register mo me pay mo bia later and sana so before I registered momo that was how I was doing the transaction. Yes. Me ko agents for me this kind man on so oje no sending the kama.
It is the make an brand ma ho kwan sa. Brand me na agent so ye o kokoye cash in, cash out. And Levy brand say, "Who this ka kwakoto wallet so?" Na me go be can say Levy ni din ni honam say. Who ko transfer sika, who this ka kwato wallet so a. Enye transfer na o ye. I say o convert physical and o ye convert physical cash into electronic. No. Na okona kwa cash out o ye de uko yiska okay Levy kan akwa say o use uko ATM na okwa withdraw sika from ATM Levy kan no
okay na say me call shop na matade na POS wo esi o file card ni shem na bo o pen no na yentin free so no so Levy be kan na
no so en kan no nchechim ncho say bi fa say wakokwa la wakodi dwa kakra na Friday o de kofi na obeso di o tua odmumu a the nti amra no say eno ye free ni say one kwala wa register o GRA yenim kwala
okay
otua ni income tax o say tua VAT nti mra ne say say who company biya or ye commercial entity.
Okay.
Or ton like Didra.
Okay.
Now say what need dinner for the income you are register no to your income tax and now say VAT ya. Now say only need Didra. Wo transfer now yaman on yen 2 year levy.
I see. Kola suma ebimo. Ye komo kola ye wo ma me fo no mo ton tuma no mo ye shops akese ni so bank fo na ma no POS ni bi. Ti ya no aka cho so meje bank we POS wa ha. Omo so ete se kola de na wo di card ni chem se o me di te se ATM na wa ball pin se ntim free account ni mo eno so
enkano. Point of sale in a win can ye live in Cano. I say falling remittance, say be a year man who take free amount on nearby, and also yen 2 year levy. In church, you say, Lord, say, the oil transfer no chia, no be a chairman. That's why you see the bank they are transferring to Cabrewa. Bank in Ghana, a better than a government of Ghana because say, oh, bank will be America or say in Canada, this kind of a bremi. It's no Lord in country, so be transferred to Cafe Amanone, Eddie Abrewa. Law no estimating you.
Okay. So they na ishamu na me bisa o say me nua bibisa. I think I asked say ye wo PayPal, ZPay, then pay e wo ho. Omo so ya transfer ni bisa obi tumi ka say yo chale chem bibi ka cross yo me send am anti be hwa no o wa send am wo network so. Say wo momo ana wo etati go cash ana voda cash. And so the fee no PayPal so and no the braille. Inti onu no send via PayPal no Levy be kana na enka no
actually e be kana we law no say or appoint you from charging entities it's my main church kakra charging entities ye wo ba omo ba ko from electronic money issuers and yeah too technical omo na ye momo Airtel Tigo Vodafone Cash ZPay ni sa na omo na omo ye nipa omo ye ku ba ko e ku edi so payment service providers omo na wo ka no Omo cano you transact almost law is almost 11 in and all commercial banks.
Okay.
Tier banks in and specialized deposits say rural banks savings and loans. Omo law no sanko for win and law no say omo G11 no meet you am buy. This will be you su say the omo example now my and from our network no so I'm running say T11 into better.
Okay. Me concern back on Sunni. Yes, you ye pese nipa bebre etua to. Fese omo informal sector, omo yo mo adwuma, bodwa ne nsa no adwuma no bebre wo a omo ntua to no. Nti sadia say Levy ya badia customer ye ka say bi mu say double taxation say no mu se there bi na emu mebema tax net ne ya tirem. Sesi a me send no me na me tua ne din ne honam se. Nti Krachi or your electrician, or by a man canny amami. Mr. Bra, would you mumu was a Annie? May send the amount, may send the amount, no me, I may send the amount, no mumma meet ya. Ain't he still wono young captain or a hono in terms of the payment of tax? Young saying, and comedian baby age.
Okay. Say, yes, Anna, what is going to happen is say, the GR, I can see widening the tax net. Inti se oni obi didwa se Francis electrician wa kwakwa ni bibia no ne dia reading common ya register na okay na otua ne to a nka sa transaction ye den be ka ye exempt list no so nti wo ye transaction ma na ye nti no because o enim no
okay
inti se Francis electrician wa charge you 2000 me so another electrician me charge you 2000 but me no me tua me 20 woni me ye transaction na ye nti me so ti ase na say utua 2000 amano na charge o levy means that utua 2000 plus levy but me utua mami a me my rate of GR no utua mami a yen 2 levy no to utua 2000 per na mami until you are going to it's going to cost you more to do business with how odipa na ontua network no essence oni obi a otua network be adwuma they say they can qualify ukoye shop na so betua untua levy pass what could you be na crunch ukoto obi what toto name we also transfer scan mama who between you levy no nti advice
so you better who say electrician we there oni GR register na fe no bam say achoni GR register na
e be boa GR for because e be man for who say why so who tu ato no say eya oya e no so the man here dan wale so e bi okoko cash out ba for physical cash no no go din don transfer sika bi am obi a na wo mu wetua more I say we tu ato no say tu am nti e better say oni obi ye ekoye transaction a now we first patron person oh yeah business person metimi oh yeah otua metimi a transfer scar yentimi at levy ana okasi dey be house e say na metu am no ahwe sika na wo transfer no nti e ade ba ko a wo hwe
what if so say o madam muntu am obi a wo dey ati free me 2000 na meje wo na mu
o say na say no e no say dey so no person best
you would have lost there munya tax net say munya no me question yi nyina ne say tax net no as still a emu an widen said ya na kai say be widen no said ya mi hu no bia na mi hu ni ye nti bua me na me ahwefo hu ni ye say said ya mi hu ni no so a ene na person say nti technical committee kwan be so na mo fa adwe ho say mo benya atire mu no
yeah okay you believe say one thing I want to say you can say o transfer sika ma way no o electricity no o be transfer the manner electronic there's a possibility say by all means no obeka so me 200 be a transfer sika from my brain wa ono so betua bi enti the one says enti na o hwe ase sika ne ba wallet so electronically there's a possibility say obe transfer bi
okay
enti na o hwe aka so why enti fan say ye ka so electricity o ntua obetuma decide so we cash ne nyina fan say na brain wa village no be so man be to obeka so fa car obeka so my main transfer 200 mama brain wa enti so be kakra enti sana etie the one say electronic transfer there me ke bibia say obia be bia obia no begin to beka say bia no enye but as time goes on no ebu for convenience sake na so oye nti once as can call electrician no but all 2000 no at least with my case me transfer 200 am be better no
okay I see say me transfer free Mr. Frimpong ono an account mu or the corner phone so a obetua Levy ana
untua mrane say fa say me transfer from my bank account e dey abeto me wallet so mrane say my Levy
okay
and I say me transfer free me wallet so me wo momo MTN na me say wo Vodafone cash na me transfer free ba ko so mrane say amount be me transfer be mrane say my Levy
momo agent for no omo commission no mote wo mo ana say na no omo concern ba ko ni say sa platform ya on say by July 1 na e be sha ase aye adwuma enu ni ho ni nti ama deductions bi ekoso a ehwe wo
okay omo kasa na enye no kware no omo kan say ye omo agent ni nyina no ye tax mrane kire say agent bia no ye ma commissioner utua ye friend withholding tax so withholding tax 10%.
Okay.
So 10% no omo aye insurance agent ni nyina ye tiom ti so mutua ma wa eno de mrane say ye ntwe no nya no yi levy mai nti enye yi levy na de ba ye ho de dada na ye mrane say me ma commissioner me estimate tax
na mote omo
eno nya ye ne ti we no omo principal no say we are tell kusi the better guy
na mote omo because I say afi no omo bo ho bina
there be omo ti omo de dada 15 time we start we nya and law no ho de dada insurance agent omo insurance agent na say insurance company ne mo we omo we na omo fees na yeti commission 10% nje ya de dada nya de for yi level ni de no akoye say omo so omo income say the utua PAY no o ye agent o je commission mrane say o je commission until say 5% to say whatever 10% nti na utua was your income say the also o PAY na utua nti na o de dada nsa na yi level mrane ba
moya den na mo monitor say a day no obi enya exceed ne 100 cedis ewo momo limit ni so if he say ebia obehwa ni say one person no bia or the free yellow eco red no we jai no or the free yellow eco blue and now the free blue no the aba yellow eco until it is just going into yellow eco blue behwa bi so na akoye bi wo ne bank ediemu nti ni nyina no moye den na mo monitor hu say oh nipa we ene wa try the threshold no and on try
okay so first approach na ye kono ye onima mi nu a ACCC a because ye ni what we call visibility all the ecosystem transaction ecosystem ye ni baby endi baby a nti ye platform na ye se be ba 1 July na bit my side nti ye se wo charge the ohun bi a charge the fan say me ma typical example fan say me wo MTN wallet na me wo Vodafone cash wallet a day no nka ye wo say platform na 1 July be ba na se me transfer 100 free me MTN momo no eba wo ha top system na dey be ban e be record say 100 free me call me Vodafone with cash na me transfer another 100 once am here pe be call your platform na e be na ka say 100 dada ono anso na oye cash okita Vodafone cash e do 200 yes e charge no se be chaba eni o se nti right now obi timi eyesa or 2 sims now obi timi transfer obi nya more than 100 a day
na so betimi atwe afem
but then so the other side no say since I nim so we the same person no so so transfer sika from wallet back so akọ so we the same person system so nim so MTN na transfer about Vodafone na MTN nim say Vodafone here wo dia to betel
how
because say transfer na me here no yes say o transfer sika afi one network akọ one other network yentil na law no so ka say the same person meant no na emra no so say the only way I made me identify was say we are the same person and so register was similar with Ghana card onye because of onye into me transfer 100 fee hako 100 fee hako they do to me able 200 the same way all transfer sika from one wallet so e dey akwa another one so system ni ehun so we the same person so better
na che say e ho no so system ni be ma won so wate o mo
o better say there was unya free no so they say o see o two sim no link it together to get me and approach the into transfer 100 or 100 it's good but as soon as who says all transfers from wallet back also and man a system be who say we a different person
okay
so until this are the challenges are your war
what of a obi wa register with Ghana card okita 3 sims ni nyina into or the hard transfer 100 the hard transfer 100 the hard transfer 100
so what happen is say so transfers are or transfer transaction now and no no charging entities in new so no one kita sa sim way into better no but
even though or then the Ghana card are registered
so right now you need common platform no to do it but the process we have to in place say while transfer if you account back when they call back near tewa ko ka kire o charging entity not till no na man evidence so me nie and na me wo ha no oba reverse transaction no do see come
why didn't we wait for that common platform now why didn't we let the common platform come early na yemfa shade yase
to be bia start here you say that me can initial me can say ye ready but o ma eni o be ye adwuma no na ebinim mfidie ni ye ready
why na create this common platform no
GR and ye any charging entities ni na ye
how then do you say na mo ma ye ready because mo common platform emra say mo pe na mo nyigi sa Levy enti charging entities na dey because omo ho ne ye no until they are just charging omo charge a emra say acha say one day and one week omo first can emra
yeah daily any a day basis
exactly until just a platform na mo na mo create until other na mo create platform no mo di mirika sa first me ya afi mo san kwa be ka say in phases ati say you were not ready but mo premo
phases no na ade ana we roadmap to the data because you say adwuma bia wo ye na say yin nyina ye tu emika fa afi akwa achimota you so bia ahondin ye the same tie ka say the baby an ese ye konen kakra
okay
ntina yes anti wo hwa a yes first phase na approach ni say mrane say charging entities na en charge ti say the ye PY you nti the ye mo charge no mebu account amaye
okay
and a common platform no so no ye obi be a friend API obi wo ho a before bit master san infidi na ni no e bit to say be a bank say bi wo ha omo foreign we bank e so nya approval e bi wo ho a say ni top executive meet no mo di trans no mo ka so ki bit man ya de we e bi wo say so mo develop omo ye system if you am no ne ba aha no mbeye nti na kwan ese mo kwan kakra aso no mo ti man nti you can say oh ye nyina ntimi ntu amika baako but ye ka so bi angege na be bu account na enu ye easier to say the ebia modwuma hu PY mo amogege na mo betu amageniare nti eno ne dey start going forward no 1st July no the common platform ne ba eno no obia say bibia be obey transaction bia bra common platform bibi say sa transaction ya we so gi Levy na menji Levy na common platform ka say we menji.
Oh, I see. Now, ebra na Levy common chase na sabina na 1.75 no. Na ye bill na ho common cost no. Asemba kwa eti ani say oh telcos ni bi charge 1%. Omo ti asese omo beje 0.75.
Yeah.
Eno no ashase. Ashase mu de hin na breben.
Omo nyina ashase say we say Vodafone cards here no free.
Okay.
But telcos minimum no say be mehu transactions me amaye bia mehu say 0.75.
Oh really?
Mehu.
Nti enye 1%.
Enye 1%.
Okay.
Mehu bia 0.75.
Another concern na Ghana phobia ewo any say mo akura munim na yesisa anye ne kwan so but saa na ye adwuma yesinka eye end to end pen ye charge but telcos ni bi yo hono mo a wo send no yatew omo a omoji 1% free wo send nti me send 500 ama eja Patrick yate me ti said okay yate afi me wallet ni mu dada meanwhile some person eja Patrick enso yi 500 ne pepepa o say me send 5 cedis bi to ne so if you say okoyi no ye bete no I remember asking that question then Papa Namboni did Isaac I can say no just end to end nti nka wo hwe mu pa dia wo send na yete wa asa enti sa say the okoyi ni ye gino a ense say wo send yete but it is happening mo ya way na mo be any day
no education because say me kan say you live ni honam ni din say wo transfer na utua nti say me chenu 500
no that's not e-levy transactional charge telcos no je enye e-levy before the implementation of e-levy uni say telcos no omo ye 3 baako onye kra odi ko ukoyi onye baako nso odi kwa until na emom ukoyi a ubetua no wo the receiving end the origin and the betua baako nso de odi ko no watew ena de okoje no nso wate no enti ye ho no ono nso kra na oje 1% no but because ono ye more popular na nkrofo nim nti nkrofo yi so ono nso more enti ekotia nkrofo pa but for ono ne extra charges you kra e bia na nka e-levy no impact no amanfo feeling esa enti me busa ye say ono ode ko na me send 500 na wate odada if you wallet and if you want the person okoyi withdraw no so obeje 500 no so you need to add 5 cedis to it
so that obenya 500
obenya 500 and it means that in one transaction no they are charging 2% but not 1% and am maybe say mu GRA mu hwe tax nsem so yi mu ya we ana na mu beye den aboa manfo
sa transaction no obi a on the business process and the business model say the okay say obi nji hwe nti e your own business model e no de GR rent me man ka say adenti na oji ha and the ntimi nka
no but end to end transaction me sabrofu kra mu na mo kan wo chem na mbisa bra na say end to end na say any sense oh e free ha e kwa ha no e na eje na enye say e sign cross bi nti whose responsibility say if enya GR said ya why I said yes obehwe say telcos no emu nkrofo wo sa kwan ni so
me on say na make say omo te say the akoto ade akoto pen we now say pen we be 10 cedis
okay
no be say me pen we be 5 cedis
okay
GR rent me make just say men fa enje 5 cedis men fa enje 10 cedis nti telcos na wo kan omasem no omo business model what you ask into no sir you knew
chamber of telecommunication prince uncle Ken bra we na omeclear
into no dey omo dey yen levy ni ye only on transfers so charges na mutua ne dey ye pesa man 40 assess e no dey mamfa embu se ka ye levy no e no dey mutua de dada ye levy no dey e only on transfers and na said the okay me send sika ma wa e ne ye te ukwa yi sika na ye ntu ye levy o di sika kwato wallet so ye ntu ye levy.
Okay. Afi mami musa man for question na sa 10 nenya abo. Awuduphobia say sister ya me I don't support e-levy but it has come to stay. My question is I transferred 200 Ghana cedis or you transferred 200 Ghana cedis to my brother elsewhere. I was deducted the same day and he also transferred to another person. Will he also be deducted? Oh okay, so if he is transferring 200 cedis to his brother, he surely will pay e-levy. Supposing his brother is also transferring sika krona, ono wudu no di koma ne bra no. Da kronoa. Ono nso ne bra no so besia tua so e-levy ana.
Which you and Miss Bisane say, all transfers sika no akọ bra o tua service charge na telcos ne gi na. Ne bra ne transfers kana call another person obetua service charge obetua. Enti e-levy no
but okay then if say na obisa service charge no omo wo cap e wo so enti omo say o transfer between 1,000 and 5,000 ubetua still 10 cedis so it's not as though me send 5,000 me tua 50 cedis there be 1,000 to 5,000 ubetua 10. So you see that there is a cap. But E11 no say entisa
there be yemra ne de ankasa
adentina eno so nka cap bi maso kakra
and they said the old can ABI suggestion that ABI in future bia no as ye data e babon government make man track as okay data na me nya ne chese bit my bibi sa and they bit my baso but for now the law ne say amount be over transfer bia yeti 100 ne to ncha the baby ne akenye be impose 1.5%. There be any cap law na ankasa ye mra de ejuma.
Okay, I hear. Theophilus says, please tell the man there that, not the man there, his name is Mr. Danso. So, Mr. Danso, that he should talk about their, hey, bra, just ask your question beautifully. Now, come on in them. Some okay for it. It's a good morning. I received Momo through my merchant number and use it for transaction. Is it illegal? I don't get. Okay, so merchant number so or your agent into your agent sim. And now what transfer sika ako e be an personal wallet so. Say enu no betua momo obetua e-levy also.
Okay. Say merchant phone now no be exempt. On your transfer. I want to make a trail.
Okay.
And nothing they can say it's illegal for betua merchant or agent was on transfer can come obi. So you say. I said you saw you say the okay no me sure so or discard to the wallet so no discard to wallet so it's not e-levy you charge you e-levy
okay
yeah
into your depositor
and you know e-levy or your cash out no e-levy
okay Ayelgia Amizol Simon says assuming I go and tell the agent that I'm to deposit and intend of giving my Momo number I rather give the person I want to send the money to number to the system to the agent or the system. The system won't even identify. How comes it's illegal? What you say?
But the all can I say? Say wa kona odisike kwakoto bia obeso de to
the all can say illegal.
Illegal. Odisike ma no ma me. No akona so me disike to my account mu. We kasa no abo number no. Obo number ne ma o ma me number na odi ama no. Na edini ba no abo ma me din o say me na en frame sa no sa na opeso kire so enti nkofo ko ka say o fesika to me wallet so no abo the auditor no e command no en number so na ya transfer sika say or the wallet top or ye pe agent be say say no obebo din na che say no ano no na che so wa transfer sika na command but me when you no the komo bi e no na ye ka say illegal no now ye hu say introduction hu say technology bi o ha betimi dey see sade no ho kwan
okay
Sadia no sa technology nka akọ na obo number na system no be ko check say sa phone no e wo within area na ujira na ye transfer na anywhere be fail sa technology no ba say the work no so because sa na un say ukwa ye cash out akwa iska ibisa for ID card it's one of the things I catch telco say na ukwa ye iska ko to wallet so ibisa for ID card
okay
e ya dia ni omo kan
ID card bia na say
Ghana card yeah say one say ID card e be use any of them for now till say obi abenya ne Ghana card no
okay
nti say okwa ibisa say o discard to wallet so for ID card bra so the bema
nti ho no nti
e show din na nyewu say bia o de komo obema na say
so ma mi mpo a na edin na wo card ne so na ni
ya wo no picture no e ho a nyo ka say nyewu na obema no
all right Kwame Siamel say why is e-levy charged on the purchase of credit from ECG through Momo? Ye to power mo ye.
Enye no kware. Na e ade ba kwa na me se me ka ho asem. Se wo to airtime, utua bills, ni nyina untua e-levy. They are all payments.
Okay.
And a part of specified merchant payments into untua e-levy. Utua bills, utua whatever utua bibia untua.
Because na say niama bebre omo YouTube digital TV ti say DSTV no obetumi de Momo na tua ensu obetumi de Momo atua enkania obetumi de Momo na tua
untua now say bia say utua oba school fees na bia fan say oba no school no ye government institution
okay
na utua law man say utua say obia wo system bi o use o call AMA na anasa o call local government omo wo payment platform a obetua sika bia o de fa so now emran says say utua sika kosa ankrofo we ho na yentil e-levy no now fan say e be a private person obi ka say obi bisa question be best with about attention say utua sika sa anianwa mu yan ko obi obi school na say anyway school no register ordinary otua na income tax na say anyway into untua na dey ba ko person ko fo say obi bisa we na me kan we said the chief for Betty
mpacho
eno ahwe for Betty say obi ka say fa ne say me tua me workers car so efi me bank account na say me send it to am wallet yi Levy ne kana na yi Levy ne kana yi Levy ne kana no enye do sika ne ko ne nche na otua say me kan say ne din ne honam say do ye transfer nti e kire say adwumawura no a or transfer is kind free in account mo bank na call wallet so ono betua yi Levy no
no dey mo be kan sa but ejuma no so nya na jinso betua ka che say oni say am chia o kafa ye momo so o mato mo yi de e be kan wakatua no mo be deduction na fi
ho imran ma ho kwan so or transfer is kind ma wa sika bia obetua o yi Levy ni bia obetuma charge into an account into your account now cause administrative cost e be auto fuel we can say yi Levy transaction cost all their share ho emra ma ho kwan say deductible into tua yi Levy now o your account na o adwuma na we use bank account
deductible by who
by adwuma no un say o adwuma
a say say kwan bia so na say adwuma no na tua sa yi Levy charges
no o tua wi a ti say the un say o your adwuma ya obi e administrative charges ti say e bia salaries u ko to nso we no nyina ye nema matototo say mo yam accounts at the end of the year na mo kan sa ne mo we just yenya profit we sika yenya anie say ne say wo ho sa de o say o spending wo ho no yi Levy ni be ka ho nti deductible do more kai
o more ka sa no adwuma no beti ase sa
ne ma o ye dada nti beti ase
Felicia Brobe Dakwa says good work UTV. I think it's high time GRA and those involved in the implementation of Levy go down to the various marketplaces and lorry stations to educate the various groups. Joseph Owusu, good morning, my sister. I transferred money from my wallet to my bank account, and I was charged Levy, but I just heard Mr. Danso say it's off charge. Please, can he elaborate on that?
Okay, a very good question. I'm asking answer. See, so transaction no ye tin no. Onko oma ne telcos no omtin no. Enya we a bank account na ono ane dia. Say me catch was a common platform nka ba dia nka we yent no. Ba on report man the tin charge entity ni say me pa to account na me dia. Nti monye na monhwe na mon reverse scan man yon be ya man.
Okay. Into your seat to sana mono. Really paying an electrician question you asked Mr. Dan, so his answer didn't sit down well with me at all. Yeah, I know you are not satisfied with that answer, but you let's go. The electrician must pay tax from his earning, but you, the payer, will rather pay more for tax. Okay, Juliana Paris says, I sent 100 Ghana cedis to my son on Voda Cash and then sent 20 Ghana cedis to my Tigo Cash. They deducted 0.30p. That means 0.30 pesos on the 20 Ghana I sent.
Yeah, that's the 1.5%.
And they said no, that's 1.5%. Dave Jan says, what the man said is, who they count there? Is it compulsory for all persons to have Momo account? Does it mean a person with a Momo account can transfer money through Momo agents in Ghana? So about the illegality, say Marco agent who say, bra, sister, GCK may send ya my number so and so. And no say. Into the say I say one register Voda Cash, Tigo Cash, MTN Mumwa. Just a would you mean any electronic transfer ni bi Ghana.
No dey say the brand trade say ma ho kwan so bit my say bia o person so bit mi akọ e bia o sister bi was o be first get to wallet na transfer ma asumasi mami. Ba on call agent for money enquire sa transaction.
Okay. So please ask the money if they can't control what the other telco is charging back and forth. Then what is he trying to say? Who is to check this telco that we all know to do the right thing? Now we are hoping say Benya Chamber of Telecommunications opening na waboyim. Isaac Newton from Nkoko, I transferred 500 cedis to my own bank account, but they deducted Levy. I don't understand.
Okay.
Also a similar problem.
Yeah, yes. So I transfer or the same person a bank account in the on reported to the charging entities notice can number reverses are Levy no matter.
Okay. Not just say no. Telco now will charge.
Yes. Money evidence account near wow they are or be no reverse.
Well, we can also reporting here saying what's the procedure.
So telcos now it will be our number or a war out. When you say Vodafone cash here 100.
Okay.
MTN be wo do bia wo ne de. Say the we transaction na say unya problem. What we from catch up say we transaction we na a mistake in reverse ma no the same way na be no.
Okay.
So yen scan ni yen chen. omo na eji scan directly so omo ji scan a ekita omo to corner report no omo ye investigation no so omo wrong free omo be reverse tax no e the amount.
Richard Income, good morning. Please, I transferred 5,000 into another bank account using mobile app, but not instant pay. Will I pay e-levy?
Into share with banks need be apps need be and yet instantly. So to send scanner, it will take a day or two and send a scanner. I me a kuni pan account. I know say e-levy account. E-levy can say bank transfer echo ye me ye ya on sabe ke scanner there and na e-levy can. But it will with my be idea now to I said what they would you check and e-levy can. Okay. Depending on the mode of transfer. No.
If I wait to only and show you a better fight, Justice a jury said, sir, please, anytime I withdraw money from my bank account through my bank app into my Momo, onto my Momo wallet, they deduct some amount. I don't know if that
amount to be bank the charges.
Bank charges.
But so it's a way say no.
E-levy
so no the same person and e-levy and say can. Say can which man the bank now ya where say wallet we me media and to make sure say you don't charge me by the law.
Okay. Sally Maya says that yesterday my husband sent me 1,000 Ghana cedis and he paid 21 Ghana cedis charges. Fee was 7.80 and 13.20 for e-levy. E-levy for why? It's not true. 1,000 cedis. The charges is 10 cedis. Confusing me, you know. So charge na ye kanu ye. The telco connected that answer na e-levy no aba. Nti na bia ukunutu ya 21 cedis no. Into your back afra. Gabriel KLE. The e-levy does not affect all utility payments, including data and airtime purchases. Yeah. Okay. So they have for so. Patricia Sapoma, I transferred 4,500 cedis to my personal account, which I had registered mobile banking with, but they took this e-levy charges. Okay. And what necessary e-levy apply?
And to report to that. The
bank apply.
And yes, apply. The same person. Lord say wow transfer among yourself. Wow, what the man wow menji e-levy. Inti say me you escape from my bank account that I come my wallet so e-levy ni apply. Inti we know which man kono catch the bank and say e-levy now team you know. Lord say my inti me. Me ana wallet we hear media. Unse banks ni bi wo ha o number now use o wallet no. Omo wo data so. Inti no easier.
Okay.
But bi wo ha na number now we dey ayo wallet no bank ni nim. So o numbers now we nim we bank no come send no SMS. Inti no say wo catch am say me media na mo team e-levy no be equity o be am. But say number no mu nim I so ma evidence say o number we me dey an account we mu nim say media. On be reverse levy number. Okay.
Is there a way am be provide list whilst you trying say common platform ni be ba no. Say mo be provide charge list na amount for be hu nti say o kwa send this account or send it from the wallet to crowd onim so let me just cross check. Me sure they may send this say near better me.
Yeah, did that. Your secretary on all your social media.
Oh, I see.
ABR, the two social media, the two platform be also. Okay. Yeah, until I will that. Then I saw a print small stickers. I'll be to me the abo. Said here, when say ECG for be sa, we connect boho. They will use that. Yeah, evening in a hand that.
Okay. Now, sisi asa me ho if my account come me had near to me. If me momo come account near to me no. A problem as is here, I say a bewa sa kopim this a June ending.
Can it here? It's said it's a year face approach, no, and not saying the Ubi can say because of your programme to be in your home freezer. But ya Yama Queen say
what is our next phase?
The next phase is July, 1st July.
Oh, okay.
And I be a common platform. I know the who transfer if you account back another one, yeah, but the one here pass so you say one. So come to so year registration of your Ghana card.
Me basisi ana mama wa to as registration of Ghana card no na amanfo okusan binti memo wa boa ni nyina because ye bre no so kra so na afi we ya no abomu I sent say for no omani abere pa 21 cedis for 1,000 cedis no e chese first na nke 10 cedis but isi ano e-levy na ba be ka ho nti am check here ho nso Francis Kojo Osai said e-levy is not scary, but the propaganda is too much. We hope the funds will be used efficiently. Patience Adai, good morning. Yeah, I think they should find innovative ways of taxing those who do not pay tax instead of double taxing us. Before my salary hits my account, no, it has already been taxed. but if I'm transferring funds from my account, I still have to pay e-levy. I'm more Mercy Mensa sister, please. If the agent does the illegal transaction, can he or she be reported? See, agent will be reported.
Okay, we your numbers will be too hot. Number to me, a brain, what the brain, I be doing.
The Don says, please ask Mr. Danso, apart from paying for e-levy, do you still need to pay for other taxes at the GRE for filing returns yearly? Mr. Danso.
I know they say, I said
the company be no more. But a company for no, they are not charged. They are only receiving.
Yes, company they come. And say, says, what are they know to your vata? Says, still out your income tax at the end of it. So, e-levy not going to be bizarre.
Okay. See, I must see 11 by money is casting.
I know, dear, said them, can say, we be an go for Casse, ya till and see a tium.
Okay.
Until for now, the ain't me ain't so and Cassis can say.
Nanyamana Musimonia 1 million.
I know they say provisional, near provisional, or a mention, but and no plan I mentioned. You said, who say, my cat me buy my casse, we reverse as be. I just can't mean Danso enka. And Metimaka say, ABR by the end of next week, your Commissioner General, no bit ma ba, Obeba up, I catch say, ABR day 1, yenya say, day 2, yenya say, into no beba. By perceive make sure someone all the reconciliation said, yeah, will be a SC refund in a refund on a man. Yes, I will catch them say, yenya ABR 20 million. Now, if you're so you're reverse as and cannot about 18 million. I'm going to 20, I don't know about 18. You're 2 1 sana. Your figures not at all.
But say the wrong deduction, see, as I still a cost.
There be almost see annonces, but near costumes see any Oma a catcher say, Ubu, me, I'm home, as a scabba, me, until a reverse man. In 2 weeks of first can I attend what can say, Yenya say, say, a wrong. Say
next week, Reverend Eddie, the also next week, Obeka, hopefully, no. So Obeka Sakra. Obetumi ama a concrete figure bia na no so enkoye te se de say ye say betu dwana later ye beka say say ya eno so mo be so ye page no because these challenges will still persist until 1st of July common platform ne beba.
Sure, I know say no e bia won say civil candidates oba ye bibia e dey di kan na onya eno you betumi nya figure na ma.
Okay.
Because on one year reverse has no problems in na no on reverse obi esika man e betumi nya figures na ma until na make can say by next weekend, no, by the end of next week, no, we or the baby to draw, and Rama Quanya, Unya Quanya, Quanya, or Rabbit to just dry, maybe can start a e-levy, yenya, say, not a mouthful who say, you boom contact, said the Cassie do boom contact.
Okay, say reporting the star problem, no, and Crawford and say what's here, Papa. Dr. William Opon say, you are talking as if the whole Ghana is only Accra. How can someone at table come to the telcos in Accra to report? In this case, okay. The process for reporting.
Yeah. So, even with the as it is right before the e-levy, no. So, your transaction be not say wrong from there. Offer hotel costs no.
Okay.
More numbers for how from say me a transaction way na a mistake.
So, person can bro for me no. Person can treat me about kono.
Hot enjoy. I don't. Na be reporter mom. Nti yes we be free.
Na uji say the akodi mu wrongfully ni na nkrofo nsa beka.
Meet back say obi bit me dia dance with me hu bia. First almost send no message say yet okwambone so na ye na edusika ama. Ye discard brown so ma message say check balance so so.
Okay.
Nti no dey omo ye nkofo be dey atire yen say yet me wrongfully omo dey discard am back.
Okay, my we ye bre no class na Jonas Aferi Mattison say aka na asem back o use ATM their withdrawal. E-levy can no withdraw say ye cash out. E-levy can. So then me can say e-levy dey no honam say no. It's only about electronic transfer. Yes. Okay. Unfortunately, a committee na net said the ruba in TM say ye ya krobia ni age. We have overstayed our welcome. Ye e was say ye ko. Na Ura Patrick Frimpong Danso a member E-Levy Technical Committee, Ghana Revenue Authority. Na anope ye ne bo mpunimpuno na so opani ye frɛ eja ashigbe initially nanka oni ye be bon kon but say o si wura meeting mu pa cho me dia asem we eja mu minim de ye na sɛ de sɛ obɛhwɛ sɛ telcos ne ntete ye no enam emra kwan so because end to end transaction sɛ de mo ka no na ɛsɛ sɛ wate abro so aye 1% that's obi be ka sɛ men charge obi so charge but sɛ abro 1% na ko 2% dia there is something wrong somewhere. I was a mushema Ghana for yes, I say enye obi asɛm ete kosa because once I have asked that question and Mr. Isaac Kwabena answered me at that workshop and said that it is not supposed to be so. And sasa who de kotumwa yet cast it to 1%. Now the oko you so to 1%. So there is something wrong. It's one a sama ordinary Ghanaian.
Say obia wo mra yen ye adwuma. Say telcos the charge o wrong free levy and ye ho kwan catch them some reverse. But omo charges omo gina and it's GR no yemra no say ye gigi to ne fan ko for
but say GR no nso na mo wo ho kwan say de yesikasem ne nyegye sa no under Ministry of Finance mo boaye enti sa mra na mo kwan say end to end transaction wo beje maximum of 1% charge no why na this amra ne buy why na hwese sa amra ne yejuma so that we go to that institution say they are charging more than 1%. You
hwe omo we 1% and maybe any so obi no we na adwuma e no say me ntuo we meton no 10 cedis obi se meton no 5 cedis eno de eno nye emra ya hye ono ana de ne pese or gisa eno ti no ka say 1% no because of Levy no dey ba 0.75 no obi se de me ngisi kakra di sam nye mra bi a e wo ho yen de de mra say 1.75 nten de mra omo de ne de open okasa obeye eno no GR de ye ni hu akwanya bi ase ba ko ha
Ghana wa bra ma o man so abre omo ye transfer no mo ka fra wate se ni eji se mo fa trotro na mo disika no ba Mr. Danso no pay that papa o ka che Auntie Florence ni abusiafo ni nyina sa afidi yakoma atoye yem first na ise mo ni edi hiddency enti si amo ba edi any case be a case close here that say Ura Patrick Frimpong Danso eno no ye sorry so na de ru aba na mama na kuyaski say ene puja ye Friday o mama African way share friend 020-836-4729 020-836-4729 midi edi yakuna damasi